How artificial intelligence is shaping the future of e-commerce. The next big thing in the e-commerce market is artificial intelligence, AI. It has been around for some time, but recent technological advancements have made it easier to use AI solutions in the e-commerce market. The advantages of the e-commerce business are demonstrated through greater consumer happiness, cheaper prices, and more efficient procedures. In addition, AI is anticipated to increase at an annual pace of 33.2% between 2020 and 2027. By using AI technology, you can create an AI-powered personalized search experience for your customers to increase their loyalty towards your brand and help you grow your business more effectively. AI use cases in e-commerce. 1. Improved personalized product recommendations. It's easier than ever to get customer information about how they shop online and use it. AI is being used to make personalized product suggestions based on how customers have behaved in the past and how they look like other customers. For example, Amazon uses its recommendation system to suggest products you might like based on your past purchases and ratings of other products. 2. Enhanced customer service. Chatbots can also help with customer service by providing basic answers to questions customers ask. 3. Higher sales conversions. AI can help you personalize your website for each customer. This means that every visitor will see the products, offers and promotions that are most relevant to them. You'll also be able to find the right products for each customer, instead of offering them everything on the site. 4. Improved customer retention. With the use of AI, e-tailers are more likely to retain their customers. Customers are more likely to return to a site that offers personalized service. Personalized service builds trust and loyalty, which is crucial for long-term success. 5. Sales and demand forecasting. You'll want to plan your inventory based on both current and past data, especially in a world during and after COVID-19. You can do that with the help of artificial intelligence.